unboxing for you guys. I know you guys like the unboxing videos. Not a lot of YouTubers actually do the unboxing. They just do the initial review, but I like to do the unboxing because when I'm looking for some hair or a wig, I want to see what the hair looks like when you first get it out of the box. And your honest opinion. You guys know me for being honest, keeping it 100%, so that's what I'm going to do. Do you guys like my hair? If you do, I am going to be doing a little review on this hair that I bought for these hair extensions, these box braids. I got the hair from Amazon, so look for a video somewhere in on my channel. I'll post a little quick review on the hair and I'll tell you guys all about it. What we're here for. Today I ordered a wig and it came from Aliexpress. It came in this pink package. And it is from a hair company that I'm not familiar with. I don't know if you guys are familiar with it, but the hair, the entire wig was only $56.79, okay guys? Like $56.79. That is nuts. So the hair is from I think it's Milo, I don't know. Super Milo Hair on Aliexpress. So it is a natural color, 12-inch, 13x4 frontal wig. So it's a lace wig. The hair texture says it's Indian lace frontal. So I haven't had Indian hair in a minute. I literally don't remember the last time I did. Probably when I used to buy beauty supply hair. You guys remember those days? Like that's when you first got Indian hair from Indian virgin hair. Peeked at it, like I opened it once before, but obviously like I didn't try it on. I have my hair in box braids. But this is the bag. It says yes wigs, yes for you, 100% human hair wigs. So the packaging doesn't really match what the company's Aliexpress name. Jump into the initial unboxing. So it comes in a little plastic like this. We're gonna open that up. And you know what, I just noticed that my hands are ashy yet again, but don't worry, don't watch that. I was in the kitchen, I was about to bake some cookies, and then I remembered I had to do this video. Okay, my pets are going crazy in the background of my salon because I usually have this door shut. Oh, Maui just stole the bag. She stole that plastic bag. Okay, so this is what the cap looks like. It doesn't have a smell. Like honestly, it smells like nothing. It says 12 inches. It looks quite short to be 12 inches. Is it 12 inches? Almost looks like 10 inches. That's what the wig looks like out of the box, guys. Running my hands through it. The color does look like natural. I see some red tones. I see some black pieces, some brown strands. It does have baby hairs. Not a whole lot. Hopefully that will focus in. So that is what the lace frontal area looks like. It looks nice. I wish I could try it on, but I literally cannot. Oh my god. I feel like Tina Turner right now. What's the song that she sings? I don't even remember. Anyway, I wish I could wear it for you guys right now, but I can't because I have these braids on. But overall, it looks good. It has 1, 2, 3, 4. Wow, I can't count. 4 combs. It has 4 combs, and then it has the little elastic clip there. The lace frontal area goes pretty deep. You guys can see. So for $56, hey Alexa, how much is 56 Canadian dollars converted to US?
56 Canadian dollars are equivalent to $41.79.
So girl, for $41.79 in US, which most of my subscribers and most of the people that are viewing this video is in US, you can get this wig, human hair, for $41. Like, tell me where you can get a human hair wig for $41. Like, honestly, I'll wait, because I have not found anything like that online for a bob style wig. And I love wearing bobs. They're cheap, and also I just love how easy it is to style the hair. Now, $46 for a virgin hair wig, like, I am sold. I will definitely update you guys when I bleach the knots, because they are not bleached. So, but honestly, it's not bad at all. Like, the lace on this one looks so much better than the last wig I bought. That was that short wig. I forget where it's from, but you can actually see the scalp like area. So the other wig that I had, this area was like filled, like you couldn't see the scalp area. So I like how they placed the knots in the hair, and the lace is a nice color, which I believe will match well with my forehead. Yeah. So once that baby's laid down, guys, it's gonna look good. Okay, guys, so I'm going to be coming back fairly shortly with another video, just showing you guys the install of this hair. It's looks pretty full the way it is right now. I have not done anything to it, but it looks full here. I'll probably straighten this part here that's curved. Guys, if you want a really cheap wig that's under $50 American and under $60 Canadian, get at it, because you cannot go wrong. Summertime is coming, and you know you're gonna want that short hairstyle. It's just what is trending. Everybody and anyone is going for that short hairstyle. I'm just looking at the sides of the hairline. It's really nice and natural looking. So overall, I am impressed with my $56 purchase for an entire wig. That is a steal of deal. You cannot go wrong. So I'm definitely going to update you guys and let you know whether or not I liked it and whether or not I would recommend it to you guys. Until next time, guys.